back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a tasty, easy whole chicken gray. First of all, this is my chicken, my whole chicken. We're going to be taking out the backbone of the chicken to enhance the chicken sit properly. So let's get started. So here is my knife. I'm just gonna start by cutting back the chicken bone. Careful. The quick cut cuts it out.
To be with you, call my name, love, ooh, somebody else, and that is you, ooh, falling with you, the only one doing me, you already feel it there.
So we're gonna put this aside. So as you can see, I've cut out the chicken backbone. So here is our chicken. You just want to go in like this, break it like this. Your chicken is going to relax properly in the baking pan or whatever you want to use. So right now I'm just gonna go in and scrape all those dirty bits from the chicken, the hairy parts, and give it a nice wash. And so you want to scrape wash it properly. If this is going to your stomach, you might as well clean it properly. Scrape all those dirty parts. No, it will not go out 100%, but at least try a possible best to clean the chicken. After you finish scraping it, you can use vinegar, salt, or lemon to wash the chicken, because I don't like that smell of chicken, raw chicken. I don't like it. If I smell raw chicken in your chicken, I'm not gonna eat that food again. So I like to clean my chicken and wash it properly, so that when you are eating it, you know, yes, you're eating a clean food. So we're gonna keep doing that. And don't scraping all the excess hair from the chicken. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna transfer this to the sink and wash it with lemon, because we don't have vinegar. I'm just gonna cut this out. So yeah, here is the chicken. I'm going to transfer it to the sink and give it a good wash, and I will come back and we'll start the marinating. Okay guys, so for this part I'm just gonna take out all this chicken liver. I'll take them out. Wash it as well. So that's that. begin by blending our spices. Here is my leg. I'm going to go in. I'm not going to blend the rosemary, pepper, ginger, ingredients I will use to marinate the chicken. I've just added everything. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't recording, so I'm sorry for that. So this is the blend. My parsley and all that I blended, but I added lemon seasoning and thyme and other seasoning. Don't worry, I'm going to list everything on the description box. So I'm just going to give it a quick mix, because you want to mix all the ingredients together. You want to combine. I'm also going to go in with some oil. I'm going to combine that properly. So guys, I'm just going to go in with my chicken. See how beautiful the chicken is looking? You can leave it like this. So now you want to go in with your mix seasoning. Rub. Oh no, don't forget your backbone. Spicy your backbone as well. Put it in the middle. So you want to go in underneath the skin of your chicken. Put some spices there as well. Like so. So here is our chicken. I'm gonna take this out. So you want to sprinkle some rosemary on it. So guys, that's the end of the seasoning. I'm gonna season this for 2 days. Hi Choice family, our oven grilled whole chicken is ready. As you can see on my plate, the chicken is looking so beautiful and delicious, decorated with orange and mandarin. Oh yes, if you've watched up to this point, please kindly hit that subscribe button for more video. If you are just passing by, new subscribers, you're welcome. Old subscribers, you're welcome. Stay tuned for more video. Share my video to your family and friends. One love. Bye bye. I love you all. Without you guys, there is no my choice.